Working in a mine requires plenty of strength, dependability, and lots of long, hard days, especially when it comes to the equipment you're using. Nowhere is that more evident than in your tires and rims. Working in harsh mine conditions, as well as most other commercial applications, exposes your tires to everything from sharp rocks and high speeds to overloading and extreme tire heat. The elements can quickly take their toll on your valuable tires and rims. Thanks to Tyre Life, your tires will be prepared for even the worst conditions. Tyre Life is a specially formulated light viscosity fluid that gives you exceptional tire and rim protection when added to the tire's air chamber. And as you can see, using Tyre Life makes a remarkable difference. Tyre Life is manufactured by Fuller Brothers Incorporated, based in Portland, Oregon on the west coast of the United States. Since 1962, Tyre Life has been used in commercial equipment and industrial applications around the world. It is the protectant of choice in countries on every continent and continues to be incorporated into new applications worldwide. Our secret is simple. Start with the best product on the market today. Then add in the strictest quality controls and an unbeatable performance warranty. The result? Exceptional tire and rim protection, guaranteed. Tyre Life is a specially formulated light viscosity fluid that gives you maximum protection against rust and corrosion of the rim assembly while providing additional benefits to the tire and casing. Tyre Life is also a good environmental choice. It is non-hazardous, non-toxic, and expert research documentation indicates it poses no significant risk to human health or the environment. Additionally, Tyre Life products are not subject to any export laws. With a special formula tailor-made for commercial applications like yours, Tyre Life can help improve the performance of your tires and rims. One of Tyre Life's most effective benefits is its ability to control rim rust. How does it work? Simple. Tyre Life contains a variety of active rust inhibitors, forming a protective liquid coating that stops rim rust in its tracks. When added to the tire chamber in the recommended quantity, Tyre Life provides rust protection right from the moment it's installed. Tyre Life will also remove existing rust scale, and as long as the correct amount of Tyre Life remains in the tire, rust can't form, period. In fact, the installation of Tyre Life is the easiest, most cost-effective method there is for eliminating and preventing rust, and eliminating rust-related problems and expenses from your tire program. Using Tyre Life can positively impact your bottom line by helping keep your tires cooler and thus reduce the chance for early tire failure. Tyre Life achieves this by splashing around the inside of the air chamber. Through thermal conductivity, Tyre Life helps tires run over 7% cooler by absorbing heat and dissipating it through the tire sidewall. And with equipment and hauling costs always on the rise, vehicles are being used at higher speeds, on longer hauls, and under heavier loads to increase production. Unfortunately, this often exposes tires to a risk of overheating and early failure. Tyre Life provides cooling protection, which can drastically reduce the potential for early tire failure from excessive heat exposure. Between regular air checks, it's perfectly normal to experience some loss of air pressure. Yet with each pound of pressure lost, your load carrying capacity is also reduced and tire temperatures increase, raising the possibility of damage. To combat this problem, Tyre Life reduces air loss by as much as 60%. That means far less air loss from bead seats, from O-rings, from leaking vent holes, as well as cracked or blistered inner liners. Even inner liners that are lifted loose from the ply will be sealed effectively by Tyre Life. Tyre Life cuts costs when it comes to section repairs by keeping the inner liner coated with liquid antioxidant protection. If a section edge cracks or pulls loose, Tyre Life follows the air into the exposed cord area and seals it off from air penetration. This helps protect the cord from exposure to early deterioration and failure. It's important to note that under no circumstances will Tyre Life cause a section or patch to lift or peel. Tyre Life also helps protect the inner liner from oxidizing, drying, and cracking. This important protection, combined with the cooling benefits mentioned earlier, provides maximum bonding strength for section adhesion in both the inner liner and the ply body. Tyre Life can help reduce labor costs in a variety of ways. For starters, you can lower tire changeout time by as much as 50% just by using Tyre Life in your rim and wheel assemblies. By eliminating rim rust, you can dismount a worn tire as though it were new, with no fighting with rusted-on flanges or beads. This saves you time, money, and tools. Finally, by utilizing the Tyre Life cooling and air loss protection, you have less downtime, requiring fewer tire changes due to tire failure. Because Tyre Life is a non-toxic, non-flammable, non-hazardous liquid, it's safe for both personnel and equipment. Yet those are just a few of the many safety features built into our product. The normally green color of Tyre Life turns yellow upon drying. This yellow color then becomes visible in the area of cracked rims or wheels, providing early and easy detection of cracked or leaking rims before they pose a hazard to personnel. And since no fibers or fillers are used in the Tyre Life formula, Tyre Life will never plug valve stems or seal off serious punctures and injuries. Rim cracks and major damage are allowed to lose air naturally, reducing the chance of a tire loss or blowout. So now you've seen what Tyre Life is and how it can help your equipment in so many ways. The last piece of the story is to show you how easy Tyre Life is to receive and install. For maximum flexibility, Tyre Life is available in a variety of containers. Depending on the size and volume of your operation, choose from drums holding 55 US gallons, smaller plastic pails containing 6 US gallons, and for commercial truck fleets, 20-ounce pre-measured bags are available. High-volume customers will want to receive Tyre Life in our 275 US gallon plastic totes. Easy-to-read charts are printed on every Tyre Life container, providing recommended quantities for all tire sizes. Using Tyre Life is simple too. Just pour it into the tire before mounting. It can also be added directly to the tire's already inflated chamber, even if the tire is mounted on the equipment. Follow the directions on the Tyre Life container regarding the size and type of tire, and that's all there is to it. Our pre-measured 20-ounce bags are placed into the tires before mounting. Then the normal rotation of the tire releases Tyre Life to do its job. Your tires and rims are protected. Safe, reliable, easy to use. When it comes to protecting and prolonging the life of your tires and rims, there's nothing like Tyre Life. Best of all, Tyre Life is a proven money saver, increasing the life of your tires and rims while effectively reducing labor costs and equipment downtime. In fact, we're so sure Tyre Life can save you time, energy, and money, we guarantee it. It takes a special product to take the worry out of tire and rim upkeep in commercial applications. Since 1962, Tyre Life has been strong, dependable, and trouble-free. If commercial operators around the world are using Tyre Life, perhaps you should be too. For more information or to put Tyre Life to work for you, give us a call or visit our Fuller Brothers website. Tyre Life by Fuller Brothers.